Want to earn big with Power BI freelancing? Businesses are looking for experts like you to build dashboards, automate reports, and analyze data. Let's dive into how you can land projects in 2025. Number 1. Optimize your Nowcree, LinkedIn, and Upwork profiles. Your profile is your digital resume. Make sure it stands out. Use keywords like Power BI freelancer, DAX expert, data visualization specialist. Showcase real-world projects, certifications, and problem-solving skills. Turn on Open to Work on LinkedIn and Upwork to attract recruiters. Pro tip: add sample dashboards and reports in your profile portfolio for better visibility. Number 2. Join freelance platforms and marketplaces. Sign up on multiple platforms to increase your chances of getting work. Best websites for Power BI freelancing. Number 1. Upwork, high-paying corporate clients. Number 2. Freelancer, small to mid-sized business projects. Number 3. Fiverr, quick gigs for dashboards and reports. Number 4. TopDow, premium clients but requires an interview. Number 5. People per hour, Workana, alternative marketplaces. Pro tip: start with low-price gigs, 5,000 to 10,000 Indian rupees, to get initial reviews, then increase rates. Number 3. Leverage LinkedIn and social media. Social media isn't just for scrolling. It's a gold mine for finding freelance work. Post Power BI tips, dashboard screenshots, and success stories on LinkedIn. Connect with business owners, startup founders, and HR managers. Join Facebook groups and Discord servers for Power BI freelancing opportunities. Pro tip: offer free Power BI audits or consultations to gain trust and land paid projects. Number 4. Direct outreach to companies and startups. Stop waiting for clients. Go find them. Identify businesses that rely on Excel/manual reporting and need automation. Send a cold email or LinkedIn message offering a Power BI automation solution. Offer a small proof of concept dashboard for free, then upsell the full project. Pro tip: target industries like finance, e-commerce, and real estate. They need data visualization the most. Number 5. Upskill and showcase your work. Stay ahead by learning the latest Power BI features. Master new Power BI tools like Fabric and AI Copilot. Create a portfolio website with case studies of dashboards you built. Offer advanced DAX, SQL, and Power Query solutions to stand out from other freelancers. Pro tip: certifications like PL 300 boost credibility and attract premium clients. Final tips to land high-paying Power BI projects. Number 1. Be active on freelance platforms and LinkedIn every day. Number 2. Deliver projects before deadlines to get great reviews and referrals. Number 3. Keep learning advanced Power BI features like Direct Lake, data flows, and Fabric. Number 4. Build relationships with past clients for repeat work and referrals. Freelancing in Power BI is an amazing opportunity. Start today and grow your career.